Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And a very good evening to all of you. I am Muhammad Zubair. I am from Yadgir. I am an Hafiz. Recently, I have completed personality development class at Madarasa Baitul Uloom, Sindgi. Now I am going to talk about debate. Debate, I divided my topic in 3 steps. Let me explain one by one. Definition of debate and importance and benefit of debate and need of debate. Definition. Debate is a process that involves formal discussion on a practical topic. In a debate, opposing arguments are put forward to argue for opposing viewpoints. Debate occurs in the public meetings, academic institutions, and assemblies. Debate means discussion and question and answer between two groups, and each team is usually given equal time. Now come on the second step, importance and benefit. The biggest advantage of the debate is that I have to prove my ideas, my opinion with the proofs and evidence, and I have to reject the ideas of opposite group with the proofs and evidence. Suppose you are opposite to me. In the debate, two groups are there. I am the first group, maybe you are the second group. So I have to prove my ideas, my opinion with the proofs and evidence, and I have to reject the ideas of opposite group with the proofs and evidence. So with the debate I am learning here how to prove the ideas and how to reject the ideas based on the evidence. Even I have to quote why I am rejecting you due to this one, due to that one, maybe Quran, maybe Hadith, maybe Indian Constitution, maybe any book. You can prove your ideas and you can reject the ideas of opposite group with the proofs and evidence. Even I have to concentrate completely on the proofs and evidence. You can say debate means another court in which audience are judging you. In the speech, there is only one way. There is no any rejection. Now I am the speaker. I am expressing my thought and you are listening me. There is no any rejection. And in the debate, maybe you have to accept, maybe you have to reject. And when we participated in debate, what we achieved, this is the main point. When we participated in debate, we start thinking, searching, collecting, related to our point, several points with the proofs and evidence, because we have to prove what we think this is the good, this is the appropriate one. Due to short time, I conclude my speech, thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much.